It's going to sound cliche, but I really have to emphasize this because a lot of women don't get it. How you increase your business revenue and really just increase your capacity, like at home, your ability to do things with your kids, or your ability to be present for your spouse, or your ability, of course, to grow your business, really goes hand in hand with increasing your value. A combination of me working on my mindset, but really focusing on how I can provide more value. And we hear that word thrown out a lot. Oh, provide more value, provide more value. And I find that in the online coaching space, people think like providing online value is like, oh, having a free PDF checklist that's like, more valuable that people want to download. It's much deeper than that. It's a willingness to actually sit down and say, what's a huge transformation I can get a group of people that I care about, right? And then committing to do whatever it takes to provide that transformation. And I say huge transformation because the huger the transformation, the huger the financial compensation, which is the whole point, right? I know sometimes a lot of women mean well when they're like, oh, I didn't get in this for the money. I don't really care about the money, whatever. But it's like, if you want to be the best and you want to transform lives the most, you're going to reflect that financially. Sometimes people don't want to accept that because they're like, no, Courtney, I'm really good at what I do. I'm a really transformative, coach, or I have a great story for women's empowerment. If you're truly one of the best, and if you're truly transformative, part of that transformation is in your ability to communicate that with your audience.